Hello friends, hope you are taking all the precautions and staying safe. Welcome to my channel, Rapid Hacek, where we talk about technology in terms that are easy to understand and walk you through ways that are easy to navigate. I'm your technical guide, Yash, and as always, I would like to share some valuable insights to make these things easy and safe for you in the technical zone. This month, we are talking about how you can ensure the safety and security of your online accounts by enabling the two-step verification system. After having applied those on your email accounts last week, we are going to help you secure your social media accounts this time. Many of you run your personal as well as business accounts on social media these days, so it becomes imperative that you take all the steps that keep you safe from cyber attacks of any magnitude. By enabling the 2FA, you will have added an extra layer of protection on your accounts, and that helps a lot in keeping the hackers at bay. So without further delays, let's get started on initiating the 2FA system on your social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. If you wanted to turn on the two-step verification on your Facebook account, you need to first of all open the browser, whatever the browser you're using, but I'm using Chrome. So I just open or Chrome as per your choice you can open. I'm using Chrome, so I just open it. And you wanted to enter in the incognito window, or if you wanted to use it here, then you can tap on the Facebook, but I wanted to use incognito, so I just press the shortcut key, which is Control Shift and N. And as you already see, you are going incognito. Tap on a facebook.com and sign in with the username or the email address and the password. And as you already see, I'm successfully signed in my Facebook account. So to enable the 2FA, what I'm going to do, I'm going to reach to the settings of this platform. I just tap on this arrow icon here and go to the settings and privacy and click on the settings option. So this will open all the general settings of your Facebook account. What you need to do next is going to click on the second option, which is security and login. Just click on it, and as you already see, there are some couple of options available here. Recommended and where you logged in, which save all your login information here. Login, if you wanted to change your password, you can, and it will save your entire and every single login from with the browser name and the browser and the devices you're using. So here is the most important thing that we need to do. It's two-factor authentication. What we are going to do is just click on the next or edit option here. I'm just going to click on this. There are three options. If you're using any authentication app like Facebook Authentication or Google Authenticator, then you can use this option. Security key, I never used it, but we need to enable this text message SMS. So what I'm going to do is click on or tap on this icon, tap on this one, use text message SMS. It will show me a pop-up. If you have already a number associated on this account, then you can use the following one. If not, then you can add a number also from here. Just click on add phone number and click on the continue. Now select the country code as per your choice, wherever you are in the across the world, like in the United States or anywhere, but I'm in India, so I choose this. So what I'm going to do is enter the phone number I had in my hands right now and tap on the continue. And now Facebook is going to send me a 6-digit code on my phone number, ends up with a 53. And once you enter the 6 digit of code, it will automatically verify And as you already see a pop-up, two-factor authentication is on, ends with this number 53. Now I need to click on done here. And if you want to see the relevant ads related to your phone number or related to the number of the people or the connections you have on Facebook, then you can use. So if you wanted to use the number on the same, then you can. If not, then click on the not now. So I'm just clicking on not now, and there you go. So this is the way that you can turn on your two-factor authentication on your Facebook account to enable the two-factor authentication on Twitter. What I'm going to do, just log in on twitter.com first. I need to go to the twitter.com on its official website. You need to click on the login option. Just use your username and the password, whatever there has been. And once you are successfully logged in, you can see a pop-up message just like that. So there are some couple of options. The right side of your, left side of your pane, just home, explore, notifications, more tweets, and there's the username and the name appear over here. So what I'm going to do to enable the 2FA, I am tap on this more option at the bottom side here. Just click on it, and there is an option from the bottom. The fourth option from the bottom one is settings and privacy. I need to click on this one. Now this is the latest. They just changed the whole interface of the settings now. So if you wanted to change your password, or you wanted to review your account information, everything, then you can use this option here. From just click on this account and you can see all those information. But I need to add a phone number first. What I'm going to do is just click on this account information and verify my password once, and click on the confirm. Once I'm done, you can see the username, the email address, and everything. So what I'm going to do is just click on the phone number and click on add phone number. Now verify the password once again and click on the next. Now choose your country code, wherever you are, and enter the phone number you have with you. And if you wanted to turn on this, like to whom you're connected with, they have your phone number and they wanted to find you in that are you on Twitter, then you can check on this box. Okay, it's not necessary. If you want, then you can. If not, then just leave it blank. So I just enter the phone number and click on the next. Now what's going to be done, Twitter is going to send me a verification code on my registered mobile number with this one. You need to enter that 6-digit verification or confirmation code on this box. And once you're done, you just need to click on the verify option here. And as you already see, my phone number is successfully in. Yes, this number is already in. Now I need to click and turn on my two-step verification on Twitter. So next is I'm going to tap on the security and account access, the second option. Click on the security, the first one here, and there are two options, additional password protection and 2FA, the two-factor authentication. Help you to protect your account from unauthorized access by requiring a second authentication method in addition to the Twitter password, and blah blah blah. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is just tap on this two-factor authentication here and click on the tap on this text message, because I'm not using any authentication app, neither the security key, but I'm using this one, the text message. So what I'm going to do is just click on this box here, and it will ask you a simple one that you wanted to protect your account with the 2FA in a simple way. Okay, I need to click on this get started, and it will be automatically pick up my number here, because we already mentioned the number in the account information. So it automatically picked this. And again, once I just click on this send code, the Twitter is going to send me a confirmation code once more. You need to enter the same code received from the Twitter here also. And And once you successfully enter the 6 digit of code received from the tutor on your phone, just click on the next, and as you already see, you are all set. You will receive a text message with the authentication code to enter, which you log whenever you are logged in to your tutor account. Now if you wanted to copy this, you can, because it works as a password. If you forget your password and you don't have a phone number, then this code is going to help you out in your tutor account. But I don't need this. I just click on got it, and there you go. As you already see, I'm just enable the 2FA, and this checkbox is enabled now. So like this way you can turn on the two-factor authentication of the 2FA on your Twitter account. As you already see, I'm signed in on my Instagram account. Now what I'm going to do, I need to enable the 2FA, the two-factor authentication on my Instagram account. So I need to click on this picture icon here and tap on the settings option, where I got the biography and the username and name and everything. Now you can see there is an option phone number, which is blank. So what I'm going to do, I need to enter the phone number I had with me. Just enter your country code and press in your phone number, whatever you have in your hands. Just press that code and click on the submit. And once you click on submit, as you already see the pop-up, the profile is saved. Now this phone number is registered. As you can refresh your screen and you can see, yes, this is registered. Now it will show you a blue icon, confirm phone number. So once you click on this confirm, the Instagram is going to send you a code on this number, which is going to verify that yes, this number is now verified with the Instagram account. So once you just enter the code and click on done, you can see your number is now finally verified. Make sure the code should be correct. They're absolutely right. There is no digit is being you can change the digits over here, from one side to another one. Okay, as you already see, my phone number is registered. So now I'm going to enable the 2FA on my Instagram account. So from all of the following options, I need to click on one, which is privacy and security. Let's click on this, and here are some options like account privacy, like status, activity, and so on. But we have to go on this option, two-factor authentication, and click on the edit two-factor authentication settings. Now as we already mentioned the number in the edit profile section here, so it will automatically pick up my number here. So what I'm going to do, I need to just click on this use text message and click on turn on, because we want it to turn on. And as you already see, this will pick up my phone number automatically from this option. Now what I'm going to do, just click on next, and again the Instagram is going to send me a confirmation code to activate the 2FA on my Instagram account. So once you enter the 2FA received on your phone number, you get the confirmation code from Instagram and you mention in the boxes and click on done. You can see that finally you are all done, because the settings are saved here. And as you already see the backup codes, it means the backup codes is the same. If you forget your password and you don't have a phone number, then you can use these codes as a password. And you wanted to save those codes, like click on this and click on copy, and you can paste it on notepad or any text editor you're using. Now what I'm going to do, just go to the Fed, and that is it, as you already see here. And go to the privacy and security option, edit this one. I am already successfully done with my 2FA on this account. How you're going to enable the two-step verification on your LinkedIn account? It's not that much complicated the way we are thinking. It's too much like we need to sign in and just make some code. No, it's not. It's pretty simple. Just follow the steps. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to go to your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome because I'm using Windows 10. So I'm just log in with the browser, not the incognito. If you wanted to use the browser, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or you are using Opera Mini or whatever, you can sign in over there, but not in the incognito, because I'm using some another account. That's why I'm signing on incognito window. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I need to just go to the official website of linkedin.com, sign in with the email address and the password that I have the LinkedIn with me, of the LinkedIn account. And as you see, I'm successfully signed in here. So just enter your email address, your registered email address, or your phone number you have, and the password of your LinkedIn account. So once you're done, as you already see, I'm successfully signed in, and I see the newsfeed page over here. So what I'm going to do now to enable the 2FA, just follow the steps. Just click on this me icon. There is a picture up here and a me option below over there. Just click on here and go to settings and privacy. So once you go over there, a settings page will be up here right in the front of you, which contains your old sign-in activities. You wanted to change your password. You wanted to, just to hide your live status from the LinkedIn account, or everything is here. So you can set up as per your own needs. But I'm going to tap on this option, sign in and security. And once you click on this, it contains the account access, all the features that relates to this particular thing, like your email address. You want to change your password. You wanted to know where you're signed in with the devices you already signed in. So everything is here. So as you already see, I need to enable the 2FA, but first of all, I need to enter the phone number because I have 0 phone number connected with this account at the moment. If you have already, then you can tap on this one and it will be automatically picked. But if you wanted to choose some another number also, then you need to follow the same steps. So I'm going to click on this phone number option here and click on add phone number. Now select the country that where you are. I'm in India, and now you need to enter the phone number you have in your hands. And once you finally done with this, just click on send code and enter the password. LinkedIn is going to ask your password just to verify that this is really your account, or are you trying to just access someone else's account. So once you are done, the LinkedIn is going to send you a 6-digit code on your phone number. Just enter the same code here and click on verify. Once you're done, as you already see, my one number is being added in this account. Make it as primary means if you have 3 or 4 numbers connected with this one, then which phone number you wanted to receive the 2FA codes, the verification codes on your phone number. So if you are using 2 or 3 phone numbers, then you can just go over there, select the region and enter the code and just verify the password, send the code, and according to that, according to your choice, just set as a primary. But I have one only, so I can set as a or make as a primary and click on just enter the password and make primary. And as you already see, if I supposed to enter my another phone number, it remained the same. The primary is only one. So what I'm going to do now, I need to enable the 2FA, but it is still off. Click on this 2FA, the two-step verification, and as you already see, two-step verification is turned off, and here is an option turn on. So click on turn on. Authenticator app, I don't use any authenticator app of the LinkedIn account, but what I'm going to do, I need to use the phone number SMS. Click on this option and click on continue and enter the password once again and verify yourself and click on done. Once you've done this, the LinkedIn is going to send you another code, the 6-digit code of connected with this account. Just enter the code, the 6-digit code here in the blank section and click on verify. And once you are done, you can see here the two-step verification is on. This option is appear here on. That means this phone number is connected with this account. Whenever you try to log in with some other browser, some other town, some other country, then it will definitely going to ask you to enter the code, the 6-digit verification code or 7-digit or whatever the reasons being over there, so that no unauthorized person is going to access your account. So this is how you can enable the 2FA, the two-step verification on your LinkedIn account. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you understood everything, and if at all you have any queries or feedback about the content that I share here, do let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, keep yourself and your technical assets safe. Thank you for watching till this point. I hope you all stay at home and help save the world.